morning, everyone. This is Thomas Donahue from the Driver's Apex, and today the garage is cleaner. So let me show you real quick what I did. I've got to get this organized, but I've got all my parts, sandpaper, stuff like that organized. You can actually, so if you look at the video from yesterday, well, actually I posted it today, but I filmed it 2 days ago, actually. You'll know that this whole area here was just a disaster. Let me flip the camera real quick. Just did an oil change. I was so stupid for letting it go just past 3,000 miles. If you watch my videos, you know I drive that car hard. So 3,000 miles is, I think, a little bit late considering how I drive it. What else are we gonna do today? So I think we're gonna go to Best Buy. We're gonna go ahead and get a GoPro. I can't wait. So GoPro, we're also gonna get a cap. Starting to feel like the Stradman here. That dude has so much energy. I do as well. Just had some coffee. That probably makes a difference. But I think it's time to start filming with a GoPro. I don't know if I'm gonna get the vlogging part yet, just because of budget. I do like using the iPhone because I can see myself. When you can't see yourself in the screen, it's really weird. You think it actually would be better, but for me, it creates a little bit more anxiety because I can't see myself. But yeah, I need a new hat. My hats are a little rough. I've got a couple hats here. I don't wear that one too much. My dad was a Cadillac tech for 40 years and I like to keep his hat here just as a memento. So, but yeah, this is what I'm talking about, these kind of hats. So you can't go into public like that. So yeah, so we're gonna get a hat, then we're gonna go ahead and, is that my new word, going to go instead of fixing? I don't know, we're gonna work on that. So yeah, GoPro, need a GoPro. I think it's time to start practicing with that. I'd also like to get a mic. I think audio is really important. We're at 111 subscribers. So we've grown, we're not growing quick at all, let's be real, but we're getting there. It's a nice slow and steady pace, but I've got goals this year. So this time next year, we're gonna be over 1,000, that is for sure. I've started working on writing out different ideas and stuff on what I want to do for videos, connecting with people. I've got about 50 ideas. If anyone has ideas or anything they want to see, shoot me a message. I check all my messages on my YouTube videos. Follow me on Instagram. All right. Had to get the turbo diesel, pick up a few seconds. Do you know what's funny is that turbo diesel F250, 350, probably faster than our car. Woo-hoo! Woo! I have no idea how quick that is.
I don't either.
All right, so we're making a pit stop, right?
Yes.
Got to get those potato wedges. So we're gonna roll up in fries, see if they got any potato wedges. If not, we're gonna go to McDonald's and get some overpriced potatoes. So let me pause here for a minute. Potato wedges, $1.61 in potato wedges, yum. All right, we gotta get out of here. It's crazy busy. So it's Thanksgiving weekend, right? Or week. But it's snowbird season and there are so many people here. Oh, I just saw e93 M3. Looks good. But I don't know if I'd buy a convertible M3 though. All right, where's our car? I think we're one over. No, we're right here. All right, look at that, hands are a little shaky. Not trying to be ageist, not trying to be a tool, but it's snowbird season and there's so many people who don't live here full time, who are not paying attention and almost got hit in the e30. It happens probably 50 times during the winter where it's a risk taking the e30 out during snowbird season. So that's fall to spring, super dangerous. So I'm at Best Buy. Take a look at a GoPro. Maybe I just need to run a GoPro all the time and then I can show you what it's like during snowbird season. All right. That's not in the budget yet, is it, Jen? Maybe something like that, but definitely not that. All right, so we got an open box here. I think that should be good. That's a 9. I don't think we're gonna get an 8. I think that part is, for me, is really important because then you can see yourself. It comes with a few options and stuff like that. I like that it's got a detachable piece of glass there, so you can put a polarizer or anything like that on it. So I think we're gonna go with the 9, not the 8, certainly not the 7, even though the 7 would be a great option. I think in terms of growing with the channel, I think the 9 is the way to go. All right, so no GoPro right now. Starting to get a little warm. All right, you gotta watch these bumps. I do not want to tear off an oil pan. This one's not too bad. Get a lot of looks from the bikers and people walking. This car is way too much fun. All this filming, you know what it's gonna require? Yes. It's gonna require me to get it, it's gonna require me to rebuild this engine more quickly than I need to because I'm hooning it all the time. I don't always drive like a butthead. Oh yeah, look at those mountains. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, the sound of the beautiful M20. All the cynics gotta jump on it. That's because we're not trying. I don't know, this new stuff, these new cars are quick. And it's an automatic. Alright, now we're gonna have to tone it down. Alright, got a new hat. And it was less. One at REI was dirty, like 40 bucks. This one was $20, and I think it looks better and fits better. So, what do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. It feels good. This Arizona sun's kind of hot today. Let's go ahead and take this mask off. Wow. All right, cool. And I feel super naked without my watch. All right, so we're on 40 now. Third gear pull. Where we live, we never see police. It's a rarity. And now we've got them
these 3 cars
blocking the road for some reason. Let's see what's up with this.
It's like their entire force out here.
Whoa. All right, so we found out what's up. So by the Ritz-Carlton, we live by the Ritz-Carlton, though we don't live in the Ritz-Carlton. That would be really cool though. Bad accident. Apparently there's an engine on the road or something like that. Now, if you remember at the beginning of this video, I told you how I almost got hit in the E30 and it's snowbird season. Snowbirds, people from wherever, Michigan, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, whatever, older people, when they come here to Tucson, I don't know what it is, but they drive crazy. People have literally parked their cars on this road, gotten out and taken pictures of cacti. All right, here, I think we're getting... We don't see you too often. so it's almost the end of the day. I haven't done a whole lot in terms of car stuff. There's George. We're gonna run out to Fry's, pick up some almonds. So what I found out about that accident was someone apparently was driving about 70 miles per hour. Didn't know that it was a roundabout, I guess, and that you have to yield and stuff like that, and drove 70 miles an hour through the roundabout. I think what happened was they hit a couple huge boulders, flipped over, ripped the engine out, all those types of things. So I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like. All right, let's see. There's a little plastic there from the car. Look at that. You can see skid marks hit there. Look at that huge rock they hit. Wow, that's why the engine was removed from the car. So traveled through here, hit all these rocks, saguaros. You can see the carnage here, all the glass, everything that's left over. The car was upside down. There's all the oil and gas and all that other nastiness. It's crazy. So yeah, so someone came through this roundabout, not paying attention, hit these rocks, hit the rocks so hard over here, ripped the engine completely out of the car. Look at that, there's plastic pieces everywhere. So yeah, like I said, snowbird season, how I almost got hit. You gotta pay attention out here. Look at that rock used to be right there. That rock is enormous. All right, everyone, I'm out. I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe. This will be my first video that I edit with Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you all like it. It's a lot of work, but I love it. All right, peace.